Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we'll learn some new vocabulary, B2 level word charts. I have already made few videos about vocabulary and word charts. If you have not seen, please go to the playlist and find out B2 level videos over there. So today is the new video and new vocabulary. Let's begin with the word charts. B2 word charts, vocabulary. Word charts means vocabulary. First one is sur Willkommen. Sur Willkommen means when you are born, when somebody is born. This is the way of saying. This is called B2 level. I always say vocabulary is very important, and B2 level you will find so many vocabulary related to the person, the world, environment, and the things that you see around. These are the very important things that you must learn in B2 level, and especially in the first chapter. If you see the book Aspect and Noi, the first chapter is all about participle perfect, separable verbs and verb noun combinations. So we will also see few vocabulary here. Sur Willkommen means when somebody is born, like ein Kind ist zur Welt gekommen. We make perfect because the child is born. I was born. So ich bin zur Welt gekommen means I born in July, I born in 1990. You can write here year, you can write here month, day or date. So that's why here you can fill up like ich bin im Juli zur Welt gekommen. Ich bin im Jahr 1990 zur Welt gekommen. Just an example. You can also make few other sentences like this. Zur Welt kommen, okay? Come to this world. Come to this world, okay? Your existence in this world. Thus, Abitur machen that you have already done. I hope you have read this structure in B1 level. Abitur is an exam which is the last exam in the school. In Germany, we have 13 years of schooling as compared to India where we have 12 years of schooling. So, in the last 13th class, you write this exam Abitur, and after passing this exam, you are eligible to study in the university, because this is the German education system, and that's why Germany school system and Indian school system is far different. And students who go to Germany for bachelor studies, they have to do Studienkolleg or a bridge course. It is advisable. So das Abitur machen. Ich habe das Abitur gemacht. I have done the Abitur. Mein Freund hat kein Abitur gemacht. He has not done Abitur. Like we have CBSE exam in the class 12, CBSE exam or state board examination, and after passing the exam we get certificate. Similarly in Germany, after passing the last class, that is 13th, they get this Abitur certificate, Zertifikat, Zeugnis, das Zeugnis. So das Abitur machen, the verb is machen. So we are learning here fixed verb and noun structure. Again, it's very important part of vocabulary. In einem Büro arbeiten, very simple, to work in an office. Ich arbeite in einem Büro. Mein Vater arbeitet in einem Büro in Berlin. Mein Freund arbeitet in einem Büro in Pune. Okay? In einem Büro arbeiten, to work in an office. So this is the verb arbeiten, and this is dative, in einem Büro. This you have to learn. Some of these things you have already done in B1 level, but in B2 level we go in detail, we go in the depth and find out some more information. This is all about B2 level. It's all related, A1, A2, B1, B2. It's all interrelated. You cannot skip even a single level, as I always say. You cannot skip the level, but you can skip the examination definitely. Arbeitslos werden, to become jobless, to become arbeitslos, workless. Mein Freund ist arbeitslos geworden. Mein Freund ist im Covid arbeitslos geworden. In COVID, in pandemic, mein friend has become jobless, workless. He has no job. Hat keine Arbeit. Hat keinen Job. Ist arbeitslos, or wird. Better is wird. He becomes. Wird arbeitslos. With third person, we say wird. Or ich werde. Ich werde arbeitslos. Okay? Wird. Wird. He, she wird. Sich scheiden lassen. Ich lasse mich scheiden. Okay? To get separated. Ich lasse mich scheiden. Mein Freund lässt sich Third person conjugation is lest. Mein Freund lest sich von seiner Frau scheiden. He got separated, okay, from his wife. So preposition is also here von. Sich scheiden lassen, von. To get separated from someone. Okay, sich scheiden lassen. It's a reflexive verb. Sich, reflexive. It shows that this is reflexive structure. Das Studium beenden, to end the studies. Ich habe mein Studium schon beendet. Mein Freund studiert noch. My friend is studying, but I have ended my education. I have ended my studies. I have finished my studies. Beenden, das Studium beenden. Okay, this is the fixed verb. Das Studium beenden. Ich habe mein Studium beendet. Perfect beendet, okay, because start with be, prefix. There are certain prefix where you will not use ge while making participle perfect. This you have to understand. Some more structures. Eine Prüfung ablegen. Eine Prüfung ablegen. Separable verb ablegen means to write an exam. We normally say eine Prüfung schreiben, eine Prüfung machen, but in B2 level you need to upgrade your language skills as well as vocabulary. So you would say, ich habe eine Prüfung abgelegt. I have written an exam. Perfect. Present, ich lege eine Prüfung ab. Separable verb, ablegen. Mit Freunden ein Hotel eröffnen, to open. To open a hotel with a friend, to open a restaurant, to open a cafe with friend. Ich möchte ein Hotel mit meinem Freund eröffnen, to set up, to establish, okay, to open up. Eröffnen, ein Hotel eröffnen, ein Restaurant eröffnen, ein Geschäft aufmachen, similarly, ein Café eröffnen, to open a cafe, to open a hotel. You would like to promote your business. You want to open, to set up a new restaurant, new cafe. So this is for that. Mit Freunden ein Hotel eröffnen. Umziehen nach, it is separable. Umziehen means to change, to shift. Ich ziehe nach Mumbai means I'll shift. Ich wohne in Delhi, I live in Delhi, but I will shift to Pune. So this is for that. Ich ziehe nach Pune Ich ziehe nach Berlin Ich möchte nach Berlin umziehen. With modal verb, we do not separate. Remember, this you have done in A2 level. With modal verb, you will not separate. Separable verb topic you have done in A2 level. If you don't remember, you can go to the A2 level playlist and find out separable verb or trennbare Verben. And the last vocab is ein Jahr im Ausland studieren. Ausland means foreign, abroad. To study 1 year in foreign, abroad. Ich möchte ein Jahr im Ausland studieren. Mein Freund hat schon ein Jahr im Ausland studiert. Studiert, perfect, studiert without ge. Okay, my friend has studied. He has already studied 1 year abroad. So that's it in this video. I hope you find it interesting. Please do let me know and write your comment below in the comment section so that I get to know about your feedback. It is very, very important for me, and please do support our channel and video so that we can reach more people. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.